Hello everybody. Let's talk about that how we can create forms in MS Access or LibreOffice. Uh, why we need it and why we create it. So normally when we create the database, like this is the database inventory management system that we have created, and we have created the tables, primary key, foreign key, and we have created the entity relationship diagram, the relationship that we have established. These are the technical details which are not easily understandable by the data entry operator or naive users who are using this database on daily basis. So now, to keep this database secure and hidden, the internal details hidden from the data entry operator or the user who want to store data inside that, we provide an interface to it, and this interface is actually the data entry form. Now the end users who is a cleric or who is a data entry operator, he is just using this interface and transferring this data to this database, and he or she does not know the internal detail, and it's necessary that it should be kept hidden from them, so the data may not be accidentally or deliberately deleted. So now how we can do it in LibreOffice or LibreBase or Microsoft Access. So let's start it. We have already created this database, and we have created all these tables. Now we are going to create the farm, so the we will be go to the farm option, and in the farm option we have two options: wizards and design. So I will go with the wizard option. So when I go with the wizard option, all the tables in my database will appear over here in this farm wizard. Let's create the farm for the customer, or let's create it for the employee first, right? Okay, so all these are the attributes that were there in this employee table, and I want to add all these attributes that should be appear on the form. Next, when I will click next, it will ask me that do you have to create it as a sub farm. So we have a separate discussion on the sub farm. You can watch that and you can understand from there. I'm skipping at this moment, and I'm not creating it as a sub farm. So I will go next, and when I come next, they ask me that how you would look like, how you want to see the interface of the form. So there are different formats. It will be like this is a sheet format, and this is a column format, and this is column left level. So whichever you like, I like this one, so I will select this one. And then next they will ask you that whether you will be using this form for entering new data only. Existing data will not be displayed, so the existing data you cannot see. And if you want to only to make it for data entry, so you should select this option. But if you want to the form is to display all the data as well, then what you have to do is that there are many options: allow modification of the existing data, do not allow deletion of the existing data, do not allow addition or new data. But mostly we are interested in data entry, so for the moment keep this one. And next is that which style, which color, no border, with 3D look, with flat, which one you like. So I like the flat one, and these are the color schemes, which color you like, you can pick that one. So I like this gray color and this light gray. I like these two, so let's keep it this gray. And next they will ask you the name. So normally forms are created for adding data. So add employee details. This will be displayed on the top of the form, and then when I will click finish, so now you can see that this form is created, and we can add the different controls button, navigation button, different to add. But for the moment I am skipping that, and from here you can add the data, city note, you can add all the data to this form, and click here is this navigation next button, so it will be sent to the database, and you can verify from there. So we can see this in subsequent discussions. Thank you so much.